Well then, ready? Oh, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Oh, you're so cute, pup. Let me see you smile. Oh, that's such a cute smile. That's such a cute smile, pup. Let me see you smile. Oh, you're so handsome. So handsome. Let me see you smile. Yeah. A pretty smile. Don't listen to your mama, pup. Don't listen to your mama. Let me see you smile. Yeah, it's a cute smile.
Pandemic babies are no longer babies anymore. Now they are full-blown toddlers. And they are crazy.
Oh my. She's actually making a snowball. That is hilarious.
Found a stick on the ground and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it.
Why is my dog so dramatic when I stop clapping her head?
Call your dog without actually calling your dog.
There's nothing in this world that makes me more angry than when you burn a candle and it doesn't burn that outer rim. It just irritates me.
Sit. Ziva, you don't get a treat till she sits. Sit. Stop!
My GF just got a dog, but I think the dog adopted her.
Hello.
Oh my god. She's like, I know, I want to go home. She's like, I want to go home.
Da-da-da-da-da, hey! Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da, hey! Da-da.
Hi there.
I'm thirsty. Refreshing.
That all this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, cause I found a stick and I'm using it today. I got a stick.
Awesome. And then is there a locking button on the top right? Right above about us.
have found out that we are at least the 5th family that this beautiful girl has been to. And this beautiful girl is staying with this 5th family that she has. So, she got a bed today. She's never had a bed before, y'all. So we're going to see her reaction. Because I haven't even, you don't even know what this is. Haven't even given it to her yet. So let's see if she likes her new bed. Come here, Dixie, look. This is yours. Oh, look at you. Your first bed. Oh, are you a happy girl? Are you a happy girl? Oh, oh, you're so welcome. You're so welcome, honey. Oh.
This one or this one? Which one? You don't know? Which one? You want this one? Okay.
Come here. Come here. Sit. Paw. Good boy. Lay down. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Stay. 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 Okay. Good boy.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
No, it's just a treadmill. Nola, no! Nola? No! Ah! Are you okay? Oh my god, Nola, you can't do that. It's a treadmill, girl. Oh my god. Nola. What? He's gonna kill us.